tired of pesky subscription reminders and unwanted charges popping up on your Google Play account, whether you've switched to cash-based funding or simply prefer a payment-free experience? Here's a guide on how to remove payment method on Google Play without a credit card. So first of all, go ahead and open up your browser, and as you can see right here, you're gonna see an official statement from Google right here, and then go ahead and click on your avatar icon, click your payment method, and then click the payment method, and then add a credit or debit card. If you don't have one, if you want to delete one, you can update your delete your card, right? And if you want, right here, let me remove the payment method. You can go ahead to the Android or tablet, go to the payment methods on Google Play Store, tap more, and then payment settings. If asked, sign in with Google Pay, and then under the payment method that you want to remove, tap remove and double click to remove that payment method. All right, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.